Pwede na si Rex mag-chef. Butter first. And then garlic and onion. You marinate this, garlic powder, paprika, pepper, salt and pepper. Ooh, wow! Are you gonna be a chef, Rex? Heavy cream. Oh, seryoso nga na chef. Mozzarella cheese. And our Soraya doing the garlic bread. Teamwork! Show how cheesy it is. Wow! Wow! So cheesy! Look at our garlic bread. Baked by Manang May, I mean. That's the chicken. Mm. Oh. Chicken. It's not spicy, Anna?
No.
Wow. So excited, Manimar. Okay, alright. And then where's the buns? Oh, wow. Wow. Soraya, I'm so excited. Cheesy. Woo! And here's our garlic bread. Ooh, crunchy. So, eto na guys, ang luto ni Rex na chicken Alfredo. Ayan. And of course, gawa ni Soraya ang garlic bread. Ayan. So, kain na tayo guys. Try natin kung pasado ba ang luto ni Rex. Nako, tingnan natin. Try muna natin yung chicken kasi na-marinate niya sa paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Napakasimple lang na marinate. Sarap. Tastes good, right, sir? Yeah. Sauce. Perfect. Tastes good. Sarap. Pwede na si Rex mag-chef. And try the garlic bread by Soraya. Crispy. I like that lots of butter, sir. I like the butter that your dad bought it. That's good. It's healthy. I'm thinking that I want Sprite. This is perfect with soda, no? Can I have one? Yeah. You know, guys, teamwork kami today. Si Rex ang nagluto. Si Soraya naman sa garlic bread. Ako naman naghugas. Thank you, Sar. Sarap. Sarap. Grabe. Not this one.
Let them know what you're trying to
How about that one?
do.
No?
Let them know what you're trying to do.
Kasi kanina meron kaming narinig. We're hear something na parang yung parang nagbabouncy na na chair. So tinatry namin lahat. Kasi maraming stop sa table. May mga pants, then ginaganon kong chair, hindi naman nagbabouncy. Parang kanina may nagbabouncy. Sabi ko, baka nga nandyan si Gracia gustong umupo. Kasi may narinig kami ni Soraya, parang nagbabounce yung ganun. Ganun siya. Parang ganun yung sound na Ganun, oh. Na parang yung chair na hindi balance, tapos mayroong umupo na naggagaganyan-ganyan, na parang gaganyan-ganyan. I don't know what it's called. But, so me and Saraya we're looking each other, and then we're figure out, I'm just speaking English, so, guys, because Saraya is listening to me. So, we're figure out kung saan, which things, or it's a pan, or a chair, ginagano kong chair, hindi naman nagbabounce. And we tried the other chair too, kasi mga bago yung mga chair namin, so hindi siya balance talaga yung chair namin. So, ginaganon ko, pati yung mga decoration ko sa table, hindi naman. Hindi siya nagbabounce na parang jujujujuk. Parang nag-shake may shaking something. Parang, that shaking, it's on the floor, right, Sar? Do you think in the top or the table or in the floor?
Like either like over here, like on the floor.
Really? Yeah, I know. It's not, I don't know, that's crazy. I don't know, tapos pinifigurean namin, tapos so habang nagvi-video ako, parang hindi ako mapalagay. Parang I keep thinking, saan ba yung nagba-bouncing na yun? Kasi ang table hindi din nagba-bounce, hindi siya, balance siya. Sabi ko, saan ba? So, tinitingnan namin, sabi ko kay Saraya, I think your mom was trying to sit with us and eat with us. So, parang gano'n, ghost! Late All Souls Day. Naku, sana napakita ngayon si Gracia. So, anyway, guys, masarap siya and kain tayo. I will continue eating this chicken Alfredo. It tastes so good. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Kain tayo.
I knew Mama was going to say that.